Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with QuickBooks for money tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin registering with QuickBooks for money tracking, open your preferred web browser. Type QuickBooks in the search bar to find the official website. Click on the link to the QuickBooks homepage. Once on the homepage, look for the Products or Pricing tab. Select the version of QuickBooks that suits your needs, such as Simple Start, Essentials, or Plus. After choosing a plan, click on the Buy Now or Sign Up button. You will be directed to a Sign Up page. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password for your account and confirm it. Click on Create Account to proceed. You may be asked to provide additional information, such as your business name and address. Follow the prompts to enter this business information. Next, select your industry from the drop-down menu. This helps QuickBooks tailor its features to your specific needs. Once you've completed the form, click Continue or Next. You may be directed to a payment page. Enter your payment details to finalize the purchase. After completing your payment, you will receive a confirmation email. Open the email and click on the link to verify your account. You may be prompted to log in with your email and password again. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the QuickBooks dashboard. To start tracking your money, look for the Transactions or Banking tab. Connect your bank account by following the on-screen instructions. Authorize QuickBooks to access your financial data securely. Once connected, QuickBooks will begin importing your transactions. Review and categorize your transactions for accurate tracking. Set up any necessary recurring invoices or expenses. Utilize the reporting features to gain insights into your finances. Schedule regular reviews to keep your financial data up to date. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.